Hi my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a DIY deep conditioner when you have no deep conditioner and your hair is as dry as mine. You guys, I did not wash my hair in I think 8 days. It was truly neglected, as you can see, but we are going to bring it back to life by starting with the Shea Moisture's 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil. This oil has so many benefits, and I'm just going to pour a nice amount into my bowl. Next, I'm going to get some jojoba oil, and this is 100% pure jojoba oil. You do not have to use this oil. You can use any oil, and as you see, this one is a little more loose than the Jamaican black castor oil, so these two work really, really good together. In my hair, I definitely love these two together, so I'm going to mix it up until they are well blended. Then I'm going to use my Aussie Mega Moist conditioner as my cream to put all of these things together. So if you don't have a deep conditioner, definitely use a conditioner and mix in some other oils to create a nice hair mask for your hair. Now I'm simply mixing all of these together until they're thick and well mixed. If you need yours a little bit thinner, if you warm it up by putting it in a water bath, sitting the bowl in a water bath, it will also help if you have low porosity hair to help this go ahead and penetrate into your hair while you're applying it, and it also makes it a little more smoother. By me using the Mega Moist, it is already a very moisturizing conditioner, so adding these other two oils in there is just going to make it even more moisturizing. So as you can see, I'm simply working this in my hair, and since my hair is already detangled, I don't want to tangle it up anymore, so I'm just twisting them up in small sections. Now that I have each section done, I'm simply going to pull them up to the top of my head, and then with the remaining deep conditioner, I am going to put it all around my edges. I am not going to waste any of this because this is glory, glory, glory to every strand of my hair. And I'm going to put all of my hair into a plastic cap, and then I am going to sit under my dryer for 20 minutes. After sitting with this on my hair for 20 minutes, I rinsed it out with cool water, and this is the final results. My hair is moisturized, it is soft, it is shiny. I absolutely love the way it came out, from being super dry to super moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.